Hello dear students, welcome to the biology assignment 4 of 6-week solution here, and many of the question arising from different sources. Many students messaged me for, sir, it is looking very tough assignment maybe this time this week, and how can we solve this one? It is so tough, like more than the mathematics, but really just for card, this is 16 card is actually the solution for the assignment. Very easily I will make you understand how to solve the question, because if I go through the full instruction, what is given in there, what should we do, and how we complete the assignment similarly, it will be very tough to understand, because for question is given 3 pages, and with their instruction it is very tough to go through and make you understand easily. But we will go through directly to have done the assignment in easiest way. A sample question, I need some instruction, I have the question in my hand, but directly in different time I go through the question very first time, give you some instruction accordingly, and about the instruction to follow here, and then I solve the question on there. But specifically this time with the answer I will go through on there and solve the question. Very first time, what should we do? We need to check out their instruction given. We will take 16 card, where you will also make by thyself the 16 card, just following that one. 16 card, GTP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 card is having the GTP. I have written here, all of them are the GTP 1, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all of the 5 card, 2 for GTP. I go through directly the solution, not the answer and instruction. Some instruction I will follow up from my question. And what should we do? How we will make easily to draw that one and do this one. But first one, to have just making the 5 card and writing the GTP. Not everyone copy me here, what I will make you sure to draw and what should we do in there. But by your own self, just try yourself following my instruction, and then it will be easy to learn. Then it is instructed 5 card GTP. 1 card for glucose, okay, I keep it in there. 2 card 7 and 8 for pyruvic acid, okay, I take this one also in here. Number 9 and number 10, this is the acetyl CoA I take. It is a game. Today's assignment is nothing but a game. Okay, we will play the game. Okay, then 11 number card, 12 number card, and 13 number card. 13 number card, it is FADH2. So GTP, glucose, pyruvic acid, and then FADH2, and last 3 card for NADH2. I draw here all 16 cards. So our game will start with this 16 card. Okay, the instruction is given there. What should we take and which chart to draw in there, and what the instruction to follow accordingly, we will go through there. But very first time, the lottery and 3 card to be chosen. This is the easiest way to learn this assignment. 3 card, I need the 3 card, any 3 card. I don't know this card, though it is sequentially arranged here, I don't know yet. Sequentially arranged here, and their instruction told here to card, all 3 card I need to choose for there. I need to choose for. Okay, I don't know, I will just shuffle in front of you. Don't have any panic, dear student. This assignment is looking tough, but if we go through easily, I don't know, just for shuffling in front of you. I don't know where the number 1, number 2, number 3, or likely that. Any 3 card, if we get the 3 card, then our assignment will be started, and it will be very easy way we will go through on there. I suppose I don't know that where now it is not maybe in front of you, which one is the 4 8 and then after which is gone, I don't know. It is just for shuffling in front of you, and this one, this one, this one, just for having that one. Okay, now it is a time that I will choose. I don't know which one I will choose for you and which one to be selected for me in here. Okay, in middle I take one card. By just do believe me here, I take one card. This one, suppose I take the card number 13. Okay, I write the card number 13 at first. 13. Okay, I take the 13 number card, this one. So this one is separate. I don't know where the other card. I just think about by just close my eyes or anything. I take, suppose, another card in from the middle. Okay, I see the card number. This card number is 6. Okay, I write this card number 6. Why I write here or not there? Okay, since the smallest to ascending order or descending order, which one, if the card number is now 15, then I will write after them, so that. Okay, so the second card I take it on there, and third one I don't know which one I will choose for there. By your own choice, any card you take, which one coming, it is not the matter that I will make. Okay, I take the 1 2 or 15 or likely to get the that one. I don't know. I take from in middle, I take another one. Which one? The card number 5. Okay, we got our 3 card out of 15 cards. This one, these 3 card we got in there, 5 6 and 13. So I write 5 6 and 13 in the ascending order. Okay, simple. We take the 3 card and our assignment is now the working part. Very first time, any 3 card, if you go through understanding about them to choose the 3 card, that will be the easy learning. Now we will go through the question chart, what is mentioning on there. Question chart where it is asking for, yes, which step to follow very first time, when it will be started on there. I will make you understand very easiest way. So I think about then, I just make it sure according to the instruction. I don't go through to read the instruction. I take this one is the X, this one is the Y, and this one is the Z. It is given in the instruction, but I don't tell about that, this way to count on there, this way to count on there, or likely to have X, Y and Z. I got it in there. Okay, fine. Since we got this one, what we got, we need to draw a box in there. Okay, I draw a box in there accordingly. Now listen, in your assignment, it is instructed to have on there. So first one, which one I get in there, I make a box in there, and there mentioning. Okay, there is a very important another points is on there. According to, you need to go through a points likely that which one. Okay, just this one for your helping hand, that if we get the GTP, we know GTP equal to 1 ATP. We know about that. This chart is not giving in your assignment, but this one needed to for counting the net production of ATP. So that if we get the GTP, this one, okay, if we get the glucose, then glucose can produce 38 ATP. This list, this is the keyword. If I get the GTP, how many ATP will get? If we get the glucose, how many ATP will get? So okay, then after, if we get the pyruvic acid, it is 30 ATP, since 2 ATP pyruvic acid is on there, 15 each 15 plus 15 is 30 ATP. Then if we get acetyl-CoA, so we will count the ATP number, 12 ATP number. I don't go through the explanation because in your book, the page number need production of ATP chart. You can go through on there accordingly to counting that acetyl-CoA, what amount of ATP can produced on there. If we get the FADH2 anyhow, then it is needed to have 2 ATP. Okay, then if we get the NADH2 or someone write NADH plus H plus, it is no matter what, 3 ATP, we already know about them. This chart is very important for us. This chart is very, very important for us, that if the GTP 1 ATP, if the glucose 38 ATP, if the 30 ATP to count on there, acetyl-CoA we will get the 12 ATP, FADH2 2 ATP, NADH2 3 ATP. This is the list we make for easily understanding, for getting some information from there, and then we will go through our points. Okay, now listen. Now it is the time to count the points. Since we get what was the card number 5. Card number 5, we choose the 3 card in there. This is the GTP. Card number 6, it is the glucose, and card number 13, it is the FADH2. Yes, we know about them. Now we will make a chart. A, what we get? A means here the X is the A. A we get 5 number card, and it is for GTP. We already got card number 5 GTP, so we know about the 1 ATP because we got that clue from GTP equal to 1 ATP. Yes, then listen, card number 6, it will be the B. We got card number 6 is glucose. I show you here. Yes, glucose. This will be the glucose, and we got from glucose how many ATP? 38 ATP. 38 ATP. Yes, card number 13. This one, card number 13. It will be the C, and we already got FADH2. Okay, FADH2. Any card you choose, just follow that one instruction and make it that chart. And finally, A, B, C, D, E, which way to write I will tell you orally, but I need to go through the game. We need to play the game. So now we will go through there. FADH2. So this one is, we already got FADH2, we will get the 2 ATP. Okay, our first instruction or first work is done in there. We make sure it A, 5 number card, GTP 1 ATP, B, glucose 38 ATP, C, FADH2, it is the 2 ATP. We already gone out. Just get out on there. Then another box. Now, according to the instruction of the assignment given on there, make it the another box to find out DEF. So there is also directly to mention D means in the instruction of the assignment mention there D equal to B plus C. Okay, we will value the B plus C. That means 38 plus 2 equal to 40 ATP. 40 ATP. ATP on there. Okay, D equal to B plus C. D equal to B plus C, 40 ATP. And E will be A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. That means 1 plus 38 plus 2 equal to 41 ATP. And listen, dear student, very interesting this one. This E will the starting part. This E will be the starting of the playing game. Starting part of the playing game. What we get in there? 41 ATP. Okay. And very interesting, there is also a very interesting point. Many of the people and student will do mistake here if they don't understand the setup on there. Then F is counting on there. It is E plus B. E plus B. B is there. B. E plus B. We got from here 41 and B we know about then 38. So it will be the 79. It is our final target. It is the final ATP number. Yes, now when and how the game will be stopped or game over. How the game will be stopped and game over on there, the 3-way. When we will make a playing board on there, and pawn or amoeba or anything, any marble or anything, we can start with the chart or game setup. Then it will be finding then when your ATP, total ATP, if you count, if it is more than 79 ATP, since our final target is the 79 ATP, if it exceeded on there, our game over. You don't understand because I don't draw this one. I will draw this one for you for make you understand. Don't exceed the total ATP need production 79. We will start with the 41 ATP, and many of the students don't think about and do mistake. I think this assignment looking very tough in front of the student. Since you are the student of English version, it is very tough to understand the lots of instruction to how can we go through on there. I tell you, final target is 79. Here, E will be start. That means I have acquired this number of ATP, 41. We'll start this one, the game, and D. There is the maximum student did mistake in there. Maximum student did mistake in there. Listen, I just give you a clue when I will make you mind. This one, D will be the acquired ATP for Z. D will be the acquired ATP for Z. It is clearly instructed in the assignment. But many of the, I think here and there, and the student, when someone asks me about that, they don't know about that. And another one, B will be the B and D. They are counting on their A and D. D will be the acquired ATP. Not now understand. When I will go through a playing game, it will be easily understand. And A number will be the acquired ATP for X. This is the clear instruction given on there. Don't talk much. We will go through the game properly. Yes, now let's go to draw the figure on there. So what will we make sure the setup of that one. Now we will go through the assignment once again. Just a minute here. Game board. We will draw the game board. Okay. Now we will go through the game board. This is a game board I will draw for you. Game board. This is a game board. Okay. This is a game board, and they are clearly instructed how we will ensure the game board. 1, 2, 4. Starting with 0. It is given in your assignment. 0, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is our game board. And our pawn, or we can say about pawn in Bengali it is called guti. Pawn or amoeba, we take it over. Suppose my pawn is like there. I start with them. It is taking on there. But basically, now this is our game board. You will write in the headline here, game board. Game board. Not enough space in there, but I try to make you understand easily. Game board at the top on there. This is a game board where I get the cover point. That means 5, 6 and 13. This is the 5 number in the game board. I got it X, so I write the X. I got the 6 number in the board. This is my Y, and 13 is the Z. What I got in the 3 parts, 3 lottery cards out of 15. We get it in there, and we just put the value on there. What is the value? 5 number board is in the X, Y and Z. And I want to tell you an instruction given in there. I detail go through on there and make you understand. X Y and Z, when the amoeba or pawn, we can make sure to move. We can move in this way. We can move in this way. We can move in this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. Any way we can move, but not crossly move. I cannot make this pawn to here and there, here and there. And one pawn cannot move for more than 2 blocks. One pawn can move 1. It can go on 1. If I take the pawn in 0 number box, it can move to 1, it can move to 4. Not it can move to 5. And not it can jump to 2. No chance. First instruction. Second one, try to skip the Y. Try to skip the Y. Y means it is given instruction, if your amoeba move in there, pawn or amoeba, they say the amoeba move on there. If we go through in there, if you go through entering in the Y, your game over. If any way you can move in 1 box to go on 15 box, your game over. If we, after getting the total information, if we count the 79, more than 79 ATP, our game over. 3-way game to be over. Okay. When we reach in the number 15 number, when we will just enter into the Y box, our game over. And if we cross the 79 ATP, total counting, when we will make it the list, the total working, our game will be over. So 3-way game can be over. Skip upon that one. Yes. Now, what should we do? We already selected the card number in the game board. Now it is the time to understand about the boxes. Yes, there is also given some information. What should we do accordingly? Yes, they are mentioning part 2-way energy consumed for movement. Energy consumed for movement. There is another box. Which box you will start with, then I will go through the instruction after then. Okay. 2-way, two things. After getting that one card, we set up that one according to the card, then finding the DEF according to the card. We get some instruction by finding some information from there. According with the help of this one, we did this one. We make it a game board, and in the game board XYZ we put up on there. And then finally in the assignment right corner, they are instructed that energy consumed for movement, energy consumed for movement, energy consumed for movement, this one. And another one is energy consumed for food intake. I don't give it the equal sign, wait a bit. Energy consumed, once again, energy consumed for food intake, consumed for food intake. Okay, this is the 2 boxes. What is the energy consumed for movement and which one to follow up in there? This is our question. Yes, listen, which one to mention in there specifically? Energy consumed for movement. If I start the game, the amoeba, this one is the amoeba move. It may be from 0 to 4 or 0 to 1. Anyway, it can move on there. So if amoeba move 1 boxes, so energy consumed for movement, what amount of energy to be consumed here? I don't know, but we will select this one. Look at here. Yes, very interesting. I select the lowest, counting the 3 ATP already ABC. I select that 1 ATP. According any one you can choose that okay, amoeba will go out on there, 1 box to another box, okay, jump, energy will be consumed. I take only 1 ATP, first box, A. Why? It is by your own sense. You can take which one is the lowest number, you will take, because energy to be consumed, if it is more energy, 38, 1 box, 38 ATP gone from us. So we have the total ATP 41. So if the 38 ATP gone, it will be very tough in the second box, our total energy out. I cannot go through on there. so that I take 1 ATP. Yes, I select that. It is your own choice. Any 3 card, the lowest number, try to collect from there. Energy consumed for movement, it is 1 ATP. Energy consumed for movement equal to 1 ATP. We select out for there. Yes. Then after, energy consumed for intake, food intake. When food, where is the food of amoeba? X, Y and Z. What we counting in there? In other all boxes, no food in there. All the food stored in there, X, Y and Z. These 3 box. So energy consumed for intake, when the amoeba, it must go through on that box. When they will go through on that box, they will take the energy. Also energy consumed. There also energy consumed. There also energy consumed. So I will select the lowest. We take already 1. So now another box is also, another point is also having there. That is the 2 ATP. Yes, I select the 2 ATP. So I give the amoeba when it consumed the ATP. If it consumed all ATP, so our game is over also. So I give it 1 ATP for 1 box movement, and when they will go through in this any of the box, don't go through the Y box, any of these 2 box, they will consume just few amount of ATP, 2 ATP. This is the setup. Okay, another box we make sure in there. Very interesting. I think you understood the interesting point. Now our main work to do. What should we do? Full setup we completed on there. Full setup we already completed on there. And before you can, how many boxes we got in there? Yet first box, then according to this one the helping box. This one is the according to this box. Then after calculating this box, then we draw the game board. Then we select according to the instruction. Since our game will start now, so let's play and collect the calculation. So the calculation box is also game setup on there, and the stage of the game. The stage of the game we will go through on there. Okay. Now according to the instruction of the assignment, we will draw a game setup box here. This is our game board and the stage of the game. What is going on there? Very interesting. Now let's go to move about there. What is the game box? Actually, step of game. Step of game. You can headline here. Make sure a headline. Step of game. Yes, very interesting. Step of game. It is given in your assignment. I have in my mobile the assignment. So a step of game. What is told by them? Yes, they told that. Yes, we will write the step in the first box. Okay, step. Then write the description of role. Description of role. I need to write in very small alphabet, please, dear student. Since the lots of space needed, I have not much space, so please make it. ATP gained in this box, gained according to the instruction of the assignment. ATP consumed. This is the after game, playing game. This is our list and finding. Final task. We already come to the final task. Why you think that is very tough? Yes, energy consumed and the need production. I will review once again in start to ending after completing the game. Now let's play the game. It is interesting game. Okay. Listen. Now we will go through the game. What is the game on there? Yes, it is given in there according to the instruction. I start with them. Start. Game. Start. Okay, in the assignment it is given game when start, pawn or amoeba placed in 0. We placed in 0. Pawn. I write the amoeba. Okay, no pond. I write the amoeba. I set up my amoeba according to the instruction. Amoeba placed in 0. Amoeba placed in 0. Listen, very first one, amoeba placed in 0. So what we get in there? Amoeba placed in 0. I start the game. Listen, I start the game. Amoeba now placed in 0. In 0, our total, this E will be our starting ATP. All time what you get the E, if you take any card, E will be the starting what you acquired, total ATP. In the ATP gained in there, ATP gained, our starting ATP is the 41. I take the 41. And in 0, any food in there, energy consumed for movement, the amoeba not move, just placed in the 0. So no ATP in there. Then energy consumed, is there any energy? Energy is only 5, 6 and 13 box. So there is no consumed of energy in there. So ATP consumed, there is no ATP to consumed here. So 41, need production 41. First work done. Your work start, game start. It is very easy. Now I will try to move on there. I will go through this way also. I can go through this way also. Okay, I go through this way also. Now amoeba from here to there. Amoeba is placed in there. I just move my pawn or amoeba from there. Going to 1. Going to box 1. Here you can step. Second step you can write in there. Second start. Then 1 step. Okay, 1 step 1. After then, yes, going to 1 box. Going to box number 1. Now ATP, amoeba or pawn move 1. So after moving, energy consumed for movement. There is no food, but it moved from 0 to 1. After moving from 0 to 1, it consumed. We get it in there. In there any food in there? In there any food? No food. Only 5, 6 and 13. There only 5, 6 and 13. Food is on there specifically. So 0 to 1, there is no 0 to 1 only for we can get ATP consumed 1. Why? I gave it the GTP for 1. Energy consumed for movement 0 to 1, so it consumed 1. But 0 to 1 no food on after then, so no ATP gain. Amoeba move from 0 to 1, no ATP gain, but for movement consumed 1 ATP since there is no food. Yes, very interesting. Now if the amoeba now move from there, now amoeba is not in there or pawn not is in there, now it is the 5. It is very important and interesting point is on there. Yes, listen, very interesting. Second point, first point I think it is clear to you. Okay, need production. How can we count the need production? Need production after then 41 plus 0, 41 minus 1, then 40 need production. Since the 41 was in there, no ATP gained since no food, so how it will get the ATP? So 0. And since 1 movement, so 1 ATP is consumed, so 41 plus 0 minus 1 equal to 40, the need production. Now my ATP is in the 40. Yes. Now second step, going to where? Going to 1 to 5, that means 1 to 5 box, 1 to 5, and look at here, taking food. Since X is the card, I select for there, taking food. Here food is in there, food taking, you can write taking food on there, or intake food you can write accordingly. Now very interesting, look at here, I tell you, when it move from one box to another box, when it move from one box to another box, look at here, very interesting. I tell you, just keep it in mind and concerned about the point. Concerned about the point. When it move from one box to another box, there is food is also in there. Food is also in there. So what will happen? Move from 1 to 5. For movement, 1 ATP is consumed. For movement, 1 ATP is consumed, and it is the card number 5. The energy is in there. So total, look at here. For total, 2 ATP is also in there. 2 and 1. Total consumed, 3 ATP. Why 2? Where we get the 2 ATP? Yes, the food is in there. Energy consumed for food intake. For movement, 1 ATP, and for, look at here, for movement 1 ATP, and for energy consumed, energy is in there, 1 plus 2. Total consumed ATP how many? 3 consumed. ATP 3 consumed. Amoeba now moved from here to there. For movement, it consumed 1 ATP. Every movement for consumed, since I select for energy movement for 1 ATP, and since the food intake on there, so 2 ATP will be on there. And energy gained, ATP gained, is it on there? I tell you, very interestingly, look at here. If it is the X, very first time I told you, X, for X, 1 ATP to gain. Since the box is energy on there, ATP when go on there, so 1 ATP is gained on there. 1 ATP is gained on there. I select very first time. When it gained, when move for X box, it will gain the X ATP, and it is instructed in the assignment. And when it go through the Z box, where is the Z box, it will gain this D number. That means total 40 ATP when it will go on there. Many of the students did mistake for not understanding this one. I will repeat once again. Don't have any panic about that. Okay, now since it go in the X box, it will gain the 1 ATP, and for movement 1 ATP consumed, and food intake for 2 ATP, total 3 ATP consumed. Now what is the number of ATP? 40. Need production in previous stage, 40 plus 1, 41 minus 3, 38. Now need production of ATP is 38. Okay, don't have any panic. Next one, yes, number third, look at here. Third, now it will go through another boxes, another stages. Now it go through amoeba now from here to there. Amoeba now not in there, amoeba is in there. Now going to 5 to 9 box, 5 to 9 box, and there is no food, so I didn't write the intake of food on there. So in there, there is no XYZ, so no ATP gain as usual in the second one, what we go through on there, normally gone. But for movement, 1 ATP will be consumed. Since I select no, assignment give us instruction. If you move one box to another box, for one movement, you will counting the ATP for 1 ATP. Where we by your own self we select, no, the lowest number we collected the board, we will select. If we the lowest number 258, we select the 2 number of ATP, then 5 number for energy consumed. What we select for movement, 1 ATP. Now amoeba is in there, so movement, no ATP gain, no box. If it is the X box, we can gain the ATP. We select for the lowest number of ATP for A for X, ATP gain, and D for Z, the number of ATP gain in there. Yes, listen, and then total need production where 38 plus 0, 38 minus 1, 37. We get the need production after then. Next step, very interesting and very important, and every student, and I have seen the many of the YouTubers did mistake here. Many of the looking that they are not doing well in this setup, not instructed well. I don't blame of any of them or likely that, but they did mistake here. So I am the teacher. I give you the correct instruction from here. Listen. Now moving from step 4, I write in there. Okay, going to now 9 to 13, where the Z is there. 9 to 13. Move on there. Now amoeba is not in there. Amoeba is this box. When I will go to the Z, in the sample box, a sample box is given in your assignment instruction. You can check out on there. The ATP number is not sequenced. When the box ATP is amoeba is go on to the Z number box. ATP gained. What number of ATP gained? When ATP go on to the box number X, I tell you the ATP gain is the A. Whatever is the A, how many ATP? If it is the 5, I will take the 5 ATP in case of X. Since they are 1, so I take the 1 in there. So we'll go to the box number Z. They told in the assignment the ATP gained will be the Z, D number, that means B plus C, total 40 ATP to gain on there. And I tell you, after 5, it can move on to the 6, but if you go through Y number, it is clearly instructed in the assignment, when you will go through the Y number, that will be game over. So skip up on there, go to the live on there. Yes, so now number of ATP obtained or gained, ATP gained in this stage, total number Z, D number ATP, that means 40 ATP is gained on there. 40 ATP is gained on there. Then after, when 40 ATP gained on there, ATP consumed. Yes, for movement 1 box. Look at here, very interesting, this one. If you don't understand, it will be very tough to you. For movement of 1 box, 1 ATP will be consumed, and energy is stored on there also. Energy stored on there. What amount of energy? This one we tell energy consumed for food intake. Food is in there. 3 boxes in there. So consumed for 1 box, 1 movement, for movement 1 ATP, and energy is in there. So 2 ATP, 1 plus 2, total 3 ATP on there. So energy consumed 3. Total need production now 37 plus 40. 37 plus 40. Total number now it is, what is the counting number in there? 77. 77 minus 3. 37 plus 40. 77 minus 3. It will be the 74. All the solution, many of the solution I see, they did mistake here. That how? See the instruction in your box, given in the instruction in the assignment box. It is directly do that box. When the amoeba move on the Z box, what will happen on there? When they go on there, Z number to count the number of D, X number is count number of A ATP to gained. What we gain in the, when they go on there, here food also, we will write the food intake. So 1, when they move to 1 to 5, ATP gain 1 and consumed for movement 1 and for energy consumed 2, so 3. 9 to 13, D number, total Z, 40 ATP will be on there. ATP gained by the amoeba and consumed for food for movement 1 and food intake 2, so this 3. So total 37 plus 40. 77 minus 3 is the 74. Now very interesting. Now amoeba moved from here to there. Now amoeba is in there. So there is no ATP. How they will get the gain? No ATP. Number 5. Stage number 5. I think who watch out in the live video, it is good to see on there. Look at here. Okay. Now listen. Now going to 13 to 14, no food on there, so no ATP or any case there is no food, and for movement, one box movement, 1 ATP will be consumed. So 74 plus 0, 74 minus 1, now it is the 73. And finally, I tell you, when the box will go on there, box ATP reach on the last point or last box, the game will be over. So 15 number 6 step, going to 14, from 14 to 15. Since there is no food, no ATP gain on that case, but movement for one ATP will be consumed on there. So 73 plus 0 minus 1, it will be the 72. It will be the 72. And here you will write game over. You will write game over in this box, 6 number box. Game over. And finally, our assignment complete. So what should we do? Listen, very interesting, very simple. Is it very simple? No? What is the toughest time we think about then? Our assignments say, what our assignments say? 20 marks. So not only draw the box, you must explain this one. Which way? Listen, 20 marks this assignment. Set up for play A to F. It is the question number A. Don't write the question number A. You will write the instruction. Evaluation rubrics is given on there. Set up for play A to F. Set up for play A to F. So you will write set up for play A to F. I will choose 3 cards out of the 15 card. I got the card number 5, 6 and 13 and counted as them. The 5 number, it was the GTP. 6 number card, it was the glucose, and 13 number card, it was the FADH2. So according to the setup, 1 GTP we know some, you can write in anywhere about the 1 GTP to 1 ATP, glucose from 38 ATP and FADH2 for 2 ATP, make it sure. And according to the information, write something, then draw the box. D means B plus C. According to the assignment instruction, you will write 40 ATP. E equal to, it is given in the instruction in the assignment, A plus B plus C, 41 ATP. F is E plus B is 79 ATP. And we set up the A to F box. Write something about them, then draw the box and clue to mention on there, and this will be the A number answer. Set up the game. Required energy for movement, for food intake, and position number XYZ. Yes, position number XYZ. You will write the second point, second headline point. Set up the game, set up the board, and then XYZ. XYZ is put up on their number card number 5, 6 and 13, and we put it on there. In the 5 number box, the X is counted on there. 6 number box in the game board, Y, and 13 number box, Z. What the card you got it there? You will write the second step, that means B number answer, some writing, and then set this box. B number answer complete. C number, drawing the game board. Yes, I will draw the game board. So according to the instruction, I get the card. From 5, 6, 13, get the GTP, glucose and FADH2, and in the game board put up on there. Just draw the board and set up likely that XYZ mentioning on there, and write something about that. Where is the X, where is the Y, and where is the Z? C number answer complete. D number, step of the game. This is the step of the game. According to the instruction, we follow up this one, and what is going on each and every box, you will write accordingly. Where the E is the total ATP we gained here. Start with their ATP consumed and their net production. 1 box 2 consumed, you can ensure up on there, and just follow that board, and what is happening each and every box right below. That times it will be the D number answer. Okay, in the C number answer, I tell you energy, this box in the C number answer also you will put up in there, since the lowest number of ATP to consume. So I take the A is the 1 ATP, and C is for FADH2 food intake 2 ATP in there. Okay, then last one, step of the game, ATP count. Yes, all boxes acceptable, all boxes. After then you will write that I do according to the instruction and follow the instruction to complete my assignment, and the counting number of ATP in this way, so it is accurate. Last time also you draw this box and write some comments about them. This is the E number, 20 marks. So you need to not only draw the box, you must write in each and every headline points. Don't write answer to the question number A, answer to the question number B, answer to the question number C. You will write the headline points. A, in case of A, headline points, B, headline points to write in there. So this is the very simple assignment, I think so. If you don't understand, please visit once again this video and go through the point in which way you to play. Don't copy from me directly. You can do now thyself. Choose any 3 card and go through this step. Thank you everyone. Stay connected, stay safe, stay sound. Allah Hafiz.